Are you trying to download files in your ASP.NET MVC application, but feeling stuck? You're not alone. Today, we're diving into how to use the Download Progress Changed Event Handler with the Web Client class to make your downloads smoother and more interactive. I totally get it. It can be frustrating when you have working code in a console application, but it just doesn't translate to your web application. You're not the only one facing this challenge, and we're here to help you through it. Here's the specific question we're addressing today. One user asked how to implement file downloading using the Web Client class in their ASP.NET MVC application. They provided a working example from their console application and want to know how to adapt it for the web. Sound familiar? Let's explore this together. So what's the issue here? The user wants to maintain the functionality of their Download Progress Event Handler to create a progress bar on the client side. This is crucial for providing feedback during file downloads, especially for larger files. And stick around. At the end of this video, I'll share a pro tip that will enhance your file downloading experience even further. To begin implementing the download functionality in the ASP.NET MVC application, the user should first create a new action method in their controller. This method will handle the download request. Next, the user needs to instantiate the Web Client class within this action method. This will allow them to set up the download process and handle events. Now, the user should set the URL of the file they want to download and specify the target location on the server where the file will be saved. After that, the user can call the download file async method to start the download process. This method will run asynchronously, allowing the application to remain responsive. Finally, to provide feedback on the download progress, the user should implement the download progress changed method. This method will update the progress bar on the client side. Fun fact, did you know that the first web downloads were so slow that it could take hours to download a single song? Thankfully, we've come a long way since then. Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative approach provided by a user suggests using the Web Client class to download files in ASP.NET MVC. They recommend adding event handlers for download progress and completion. This allows you to track the download status and create a progress bar on the client side. Here's that pro tip I promised. Consider using Ajax to handle your downloads. This way, you can keep your users informed with real-time progress updates without interrupting their experience. And there you have it. You now know how to implement file downloading with progress tracking in your ASP.NET MVC application. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more tips and tricks, and let us know in the comments how your downloads are going.